Welcome back to the channel. Here we just finished off printing a new snowball maker on the Bambu Lab A1 with Inland ABS. We upped the walls and infill to see if we can get around the failure point right through here when you go to clamp it down. We're going to go ahead and rip this apart real fast and put it together. As you can see, the supports came off rather easily. That's because of using a 0.28 offset on the top. Let's go ahead and rip these off real quick. All we're doing is smashing in the supports a little so we can pull them off on the other side. Okay. Let's see if this lets me do it now. Okay. Supports came off real nice and easy with a little persuasion. Okay. There's one. Let's go ahead and bust this. Okay. Let's see what we can do. This one is a little bit more of a pain. So far, so good. Let's make sure we get this in the right orientation. Okay. And we will just push the insert in. That'll hold the two sides together. So far, so good. We'll give this a whirl and see what happens. Hopefully we don't break it off of the hinges again. If you want to see us succeed or fail, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.